Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you how can you add quiz icon in your Instagram story. The process will be quite simple and easy. The first thing is open your Instagram app. Once it will be open, tap on the story icon, which is at the top left from here. Search for pic or video, which you want to post for an example. I will post this one now. How can you edit quiz? You will see the sticker icon on the top of the screen. Tap on this one. And here you will see the option quiz. Tap on this. Here's you have to write your quiz. After writing, you have to write here the options, like I am writing. Once you will write the 2 option, you can also add the 3rd one. But for now, I think the 2 option is enough. After adding yours, tap on the option done, which is at the top right, and adjust this wherever you want. Like I will adjust here. After adjusting, share this on Instagram. So by using this method, you can add quiz icon in your Instagram story.